Welcome to a journey where your financial future is the destination. Did you know that 90% of millionaires become so through owning real estate, as Andrew Carnegie once said? But real estate is just the tip of the iceberg. In this series, 20 assets that can make you rich, we're diving into the world of wealth like never before. From the solid ground of fixed deposits to the digital realms of cryptocurrencies, we'll explore investments that have turned ordinary people into millionaires. Ever wondered how a small investment in a startup could turn into a fortune? Or how owning a simple coin could be worth a small fortune? We're uncovering the strategies, the risks, and the stories behind the assets that could set you on the path to financial freedom. This isn't just about money, it's about empowering you with knowledge and choices. So buckle up. We're about to embark on an adventure into the world of wealth building. You might just find the key to unlock your financial potential. 1. Fixed deposits. The steady saver. Let's start our journey with fixed deposits. Did you know in some countries, fixed deposit accounts can offer interest rates much higher than a regular savings account? That's like getting extra money just for keeping your savings in the bank. It's a safe and predictable way to grow your money. Some people call fixed deposits the sleep easy investment because the risk is so low. The key is to find a bank with the highest interest rate and the best terms for you. Remember, it's all about making your money work for you even when you're asleep. 2. Peer-to-peer lending, earning from others' dreams. Now let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. This is where you can lend money directly to people or small businesses. It's pretty cool because you're helping others while making money. Think of it like being a mini bank. The returns can be higher than traditional savings, but remember, there's more risk. A fascinating fact, the peer-to-peer lending market is projected to hit $558.91 billion by 2027. The trick is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different loans to manage the risk. 3. Index funds riding the market waves. Index funds are up next. These funds track a market index like the S&P 500. Did you know if you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 in 1980, it would be worth over $20,000 today? That's the power of the stock market. Index funds are a low-cost way to invest in the stock market. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, once said, "A low-cost index fund is the most sensible equity investment for the great majority of investors." The beauty of index funds is their simplicity. You're investing in the whole market, not just one company. 4. Rental real estate, becoming a landlord. Moving on to rental real estate. This means buying property and renting it out. It's a fantastic way to create a steady income. Plus, you get the benefit of the property value increasing over time. Here's a surprising fact. Real estate has produced many more millionaires than any other asset class. The strategy is to find properties in areas with high rental demand. Think near colleges, city centers, or tourist spots. It's not just about buying a property. It's about finding the right property in the right location. 5. Precious metals. Wealth that glitters. Last for now, let's delve into precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum. Did you know that during financial crises, the price of gold often goes up? It's seen as a safe haven. Investing in precious metals can be a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. The trick is timing and balance. You don't want all your money in metals, but having a portion can be a smart move. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. It's collectibles, finding fortune in fun. Now let's dive into collectibles like art, wine, and coins. Did you know a rare coin sold for over $10 million in 2013? While not all collectibles will fetch millions, they can be a fun way to invest. The key is research. Understanding what makes a collectible valuable is crucial. It's not just about what you love, it's about what the market loves. Also, remember, with collectibles, patience is your friend. These are long-term investments that often grow in value over decades. 7. Intellectual property, profiting from ideas. Next up, intellectual property. This includes patents and royalties. Imagine earning money every time someone uses your idea. It's like writing a hit song and getting paid every time it's played. A single patent can be worth millions. But here's the thing, not every idea is a goldmine. The strategy is to create or invest in ideas with potential for widespread use. Think about everyday problems and what solutions people might pay for. Remember, with great ideas come great opportunities. 8. Retirement accounts, securing the future. Let's talk about retirement accounts, like IRAs and 401ks. Did you know that if you start an IRA at age 25 and contribute $3,000 annually, you could have over $700,000 by age 65? That's the power of compound interest. These accounts offer tax advantages, making them a smart choice for long-term growth. The strategy is consistent investing. Even small amounts add up over time. It's never too early or too late to start thinking about retirement. 9. High-grade corporate bonds, the corporate lender. Moving to high-grade corporate bonds. These are loans you give to big companies. It's less risky than stocks, but with lower risk comes lower returns. A fascinating fact, corporate bonds have historically had lower default rates compared to other bonds. The strategy here is to look for companies with strong financial health. You're looking for stability and reliability. Remember, in investing, sometimes slow and steady wins the race. 10. Dividend-paying stocks, earning while you own. And now, dividend-paying stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a part of their profits regularly. It's like getting a thank you note with cash inside for investing in them. A cool fact: some companies have been paying dividends for over 100 years. The strategy is to find companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. These are often large, established companies. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal. You get potential stock price growth and regular dividend payments. As we move from the steady returns of dividend stocks to the exciting potential of passive business income, don't forget to subscribe to stay on this wealth-building journey with us. 11. Businesses, passive income ventures. Let's explore businesses as an investment. Did you know that many successful entrepreneurs own businesses they don't actively manage? It's all about passive income. The key is to invest in a business that doesn't require your day-to-day involvement. Maybe it's a laundromat or a car wash, something that runs itself with a good manager. The strategy: choose a business with steady demand and low operational complexity. It's like planting a tree and watching it bear fruit year after year. 12. Tax-free bonds, the tax-smart investor. Next, we're looking at tax-free bonds. Here's a surprising fact. Tax-free bonds, like municipal bonds, can sometimes provide a higher after-tax return than taxable bonds. These are often used to fund public projects like schools and highways. The strategy with tax-free bonds is to consider your tax bracket. If you're in a higher bracket, the tax savings can be significant. It's about making smart choices that maximize your returns after taxes. Think of it as keeping more of your hard-earned money. 13. Real estate crowdfunding, the collective investor. Now, real estate crowdfunding. It's a newer way to invest in real estate. You join other investors to fund a property project. Did you know that some real estate crowdfunding platforms have delivered annual returns of 8 to 12%? The strategy here is diversification. Spread your investment across different properties and locations. It reduces risk and gives you a taste of being a real estate mogul without the heavy lifting. It's like being part of a team where everyone shares in the success. 14. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate for everyone. REITs are up next. These trusts let you invest in portfolios of real estate assets. A cool fact: REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. That means potential regular income for you. The strategy is to look for REITs with strong portfolios and solid management. They offer exposure to real estate without the hassle of owning property directly. Think of it as a hands-off way to be part of the property market. 15. Investment in startups, betting on the next big thing. Lastly, let's talk about investing in startups. This is high risk but can be high reward. Did you know that early investors in companies like Facebook and Google made astronomical returns? But remember, not every startup is the next tech giant. The strategy is thorough research and understanding the market the startup is in. Look for passionate founders with a clear vision. It's a bit like treasure hunting. Not every map leads to gold, but the right one can be life-changing. 16. Cryptocurrencies. Digital gold or digital gamble? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies. It's like the Wild West of investing, exciting, but unpredictable. Did you know Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, started in 2009 and was worth almost nothing? Now it's worth thousands of dollars per coin. The strategy here is caution and research. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. They can skyrocket or plummet overnight. It's a bit like surfing, thrilling, but you need to know the waves. 17. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, the diverse portfolio. Now let's talk about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks or bonds you can buy and sell on the stock exchange. A fascinating fact, the first ETF was created in 1993. The strategy with ETFs is diversification. They allow you to spread your investment across multiple assets with a single purchase. It's like getting a slice of the whole pie, not just one piece. This can help reduce risk while giving you exposure to different sectors. 18. Microloans, small loans, big impacts. Microloans are up next. These are small loans, often to entrepreneurs in developing countries. Did you know that the average microloan is about $1,000? Despite their size, they can have a huge impact. The strategy is to help others while earning modest returns. It's more about social impact than big profits. You're not just investing money, you're investing in people's dreams. It's like planting seeds in a garden and watching them grow. 19. Annuities, the lifetime income. Let's explore annuities. They're contracts with an insurance company that provide income in retirement. Here's something interesting. Annuities have been around since Roman times. The strategy with annuities is long-term security. You give a lump sum or make payments over time, and in return you get regular payments back, often for life. It's like a paycheck for your retirement years. Remember, it's important to understand the terms and fees involved. 20. Treasury inflation-protected securities. TIPS, the inflation fighter. Finally, we have TIPS, or Treasury inflation-protected securities. These are government bonds that adjust with inflation. Did you know TIPS were first issued in 1997? The neat thing about TIPS is they offer protection against inflation. The strategy is to preserve your purchasing power. When inflation rises, so does the value of TIPS. It's like having an umbrella in a rainstorm. It won't stop the rain, but it'll keep you dry. And that's a wrap on our journey through 20 assets that can make you rich. We've traveled through the exciting world of investments, from the solid foundations of real estate to the digital wonders of cryptocurrencies. Remember, the path to wealth is as diverse as the investments we've explored. Whether it's a shiny coin or a booming startup, each asset holds a story of opportunity. But our journey doesn't end here. Your path to financial freedom is just beginning. Want to dive deeper? Stick around on our channel for more insights and strategies to grow your wealth. We've got loads of content to help you make smart financial choices. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for updates on our latest videos. The next step on your financial journey awaits.